this is John Hampton and John Robert Hampton. We had a lot of rain on Wednesday night and Thursday, the 15th and 16th.
Woo, that was good.
We had a lot of rain Wednesday and Thursday, 15th and 16th, and now we're seeing there be any flooding in the area.
That was good. Woo, I needed that. Not much.
You can see it a little bit down there on the lower end of the field. And you can see plenty right here along the river bank. This is on Ryland Pike here, of course.
I'm in mile 4.
Yeah. We'll see if we see anything down Brownsboro way. In the meantime, of course, we're going through the Brownsboro area right now. The Brownsboro Road. Close to where the fish out pond used to be. And you can see this area right here where water was over the road very recently. We missed the fish out pond, don't we, John Robert?
I caught a bass there one time.
The older fellow that ran that fish out pond has gone on to his great reward. And he was a great man. He reminded me a lot of my granddad. But yeah, we miss him terribly.
Tricia says I remind you of your granddaddy.
You have a lot of his traits, that's no lie. Hey Patricia, if you're watching this.
Oh, God.
Now,
I need a new shock from this truck.
when we come around this bend, we'll start seeing if we see any flooding. We may see a little
But Chicken Little,
flooding.
I thought you was going to see Chicken Little.
Didn't they make a Chicken Little animated movie a while back?
I don't think so.
Anybody remembers an animated Chicken Little movie? Comment and tell me about it. If you like flooding videos, hit that like button for me.
I'm thinking about
And if you really like the content we have, go ahead and subscribe. We'd be glad to have you as our subscriber.
I'm thinking.
We should start seeing signs of flooding here in a minute.
You're going to have to edit that out.
I know.
But that's my biggest pet peeve.
Oh yeah.
People
Here
see
we
you with
go.
a wide truck. Oh, I'm just going to take that side of mine too.
So we do have some flooding over here in the marshland along the river.
I wish I had that.
And if you look on this side, you can see it's right at bank down there. And right here, see how it is?
There's
That's
no plow down there.
and right here on this side here, you see how it's getting out of this banks over here.
You see it?
Oh yeah,
That old plow.
I saw that old pile. Nice, nice. He said the highway's pretty nasty too. Actually worse than this. So this, what did you say about this flooding, John Robert?
I said, I think it's worse than 2014 flood. I got somebody behind us.
Yeah. There we go. US Highway 72. Heading toward,
What's wrong with me?
heading towards Flint River. And we'll see how the flooding looks down this way. In fact, where you're looking right now, that's NAC, North Alabama Canoe and Kayaking, where all the people get their kayaks to go rafting on the Flint River.
I'm thinking about what did it do? Cut off?
So here's, well, I'm going to tell you something. If y'all look up in the corner right here on this video, there's a link to a video someone had posted on YouTube, not us, but someone else, where in 1991, in December, right here,
Was new.
well, then this truck was new, water is over the road right here. Water was over the road. You couldn't go anywhere. Interesting. Like I said, I'll put the link on the video.
I'm driving my truck. I love my truck.
I love my truck.
Ain't there a country song? I love, honey, I love my truck, but I love your love the most.
Yeah, early Eric Church. Early Eric Church.
I love college football on Saturday.
Yeah. That was his first album, Carolina, I think.
I can talk your eyes off my college.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Flooding.
I love college football.
There's some flooding, y'all. And if we get out here beyond, you see how the flooding goes on this side.
We turned around where I went to church.
We turned around where John Robert goes to church at Brownsboro. And now we're just heading back back home. So on behalf of John and Robert Hampton, this is John Hampton.
I don't want you talking like you're wrong.
And we'll talk to y'all again another time. Thank y'all for watching.